We continue, Mayor. This insurgency-free Davao City possible. Can you tell us more about your Peace 911 project in Paquibatu District?
Yes, oo. Peace 911, ma'am, is a project that we initiated during my previous term, no, 2016, Pastor. We all know na Paquibatu is a, ano sabay tawag? Conflict area.
Yeah,
Yes. Conflict area na to ang Paquibatu. And the problem there is insurgency. 1980s, bata pa ko, Paquibatu has always been known as NPA country. Itong mayor ko 2010, Paquibatu was still NPA country. So pagbalik na ako atong 2016, naisip ko parang hindi dapat na from 1980s, 1990s hanggang ngayon, ganun pa rin yung lives ng mga tao doon sa Paquibatu. And then I thought to myself na I'm not the correct person to talk about peace. Nagsasabihin natin na ako yung makipag-usap doon sa NPA, doon sa mga tao because, you know, Pastor, my character is I thrive in pressure and conflict. Ganon yung personality ko. Yes, oo. So sabi ko, it has to be someone else or a group na gagawa ng peace effort ng Paquibatu. Sabi ko, alisin nyo na ako dyan kasi I think magugulo lang kayo lalo kung sumali si Inday Sara. So I gave it to our professionals here in Davao City. Ang participation ng city government is through the action officer natin. She is a lawyer. She comes from the City Legal Office, Attorney Lapina, and then our social services. Si Ma'am Malu Bermudo. So sabi ko sa kanila, yan lang yung dalawang participant from the city government. So ginawa nila, they started talking to the people. Kasi ngayon, bawal na makipag-usap sa NPA because of the declaration of the President that they are terrorists. So hindi tayo pwede makipag-usap sa kanila. So ang ginawa ng ating Peace 911, kinausap nila yung mga tao. Tinanong nila ang mga tao, what is wrong sa lugar ninyo? Bakit from the 1980s, 1990s hanggang ngayon, it's a conflict area, it's a problem area for Davao City. Then people started talking. Ang mga women's groups, they started talking to Peace 911. So sabi nila, well, nandito sila because of these issues. Social issues, economic issues. So sabi ng Peace 911 na actually it started as DCPs talking to them and then it became Peace 911. Ito na yung gawin natin, i-address natin ang issues ng mga tao para they will not support insurgency anymore. So yun yung ginawa natin. And we recruited a consultant. She came from OPAP and then she came back dito sa Davao City, went back dito sa Davao City si Ma'am Inday Santiago. Yes. We recruited her as a consultant to talk about peace. So a part of the team of Peace 911 talk about the issues and then a part of the team talks about the peace. How to create, how to build peace in Paquibatu. And then, surprisingly, nag-respond. Actually, ako, Pastor Vicky, kumutuo. When they give me reports, hindi talaga ako naniniwala. Sabi ko, wala ka dyan, hindi totoo. But then, even I was pleasantly surprised. Nag-respond ang mga tao, nag-respond ang mga barangay officials, ang kagawad, ang barangay captain. And then, now Paquibatu is very open. Yes, very recently we did our run, our marathon in Paquibatu. And then everybody was surprised and happy na, mauna di, ito na pala ang Paquibatu ngayon. So in September, there will be another run. So it's another athletic sports tourism event in Paquibato. So ngayon, the challenge is how to maintain and sustain it. Yes. So yun yung dinidiscuss na naman ng Peace 911 because we already have it. We took it back. It is now in our hands. So we need to sustain and prevent na maagaw ulit from Davao City ang Paquibato. And then, meron na tayong Peace 911-2.0.
Ano yun?
So, i-expand natin ang Peace 911 natin to Kalinan, Turil, and Marilog because these are areas na known also. Kaniadto, yes, na mga conflict areas. But karon wala na. Pero ang ato ang buhaton is to cement that position na wala na sila doon. So we will hold the area and talk to the people.
So kining sa Paquibato Mayor, as you have said, no, all of us knows about that. Na parang di kita makapenetrate diha ba. So this is really a welcome breakthrough sa peace nato, no?
Yes, yun, Pastor.
Kasi ang brainchild ng Peace 911.
Ang Peace 911 is the creation of Ma'am Inday Santiago. Siya ang nag-create siya ang nag-suggest that the city government create Peace 911. Ang effort started sa ako ang paglingkod as mayor. Kaya ang sa ako among good is that moto ko na hunahuna. In ko 1980s, pagdako na ako, it was NPA country. Nag-mayor ko 2010, NPA country. Ni anak ko 2016, mo lang gihapon. I do not want to let my time as mayor pass na wala ko'y gibuhat. Because mukha na ang mga tao na, bisan kinsay mayor din, kahit sinong mayor dyan, wala mang nangyayari. So, yun yung sinabi ko sa sarili ko na dapat makita ng mga tao na meron tayong gagawin. Bahalag, dili ko appeal. Pero naay nagatrabaho.
So, Mayor, so may mga mechanics to maintain it, to cement it and to maintain it.
Yes, oo. Yan yung dinidiscuss ng Peace 911 ngayon. How to ensure na wala na yung makakuha sa Paquibato.
Kaya mga kwandiya, social and economic, no?
Yes.
Ang issues, no?
Yes.
So, diya mo nagatutok karon.
Actually, even not security, peace and order issues, naapod sila dito sa taas. Because there was, one of the things that came out during the consultation, the community consultations, is that ginaingon nila kaniadto nga wala day police. So, if there is trouble or conflict dito sa ilang area, asa man may mga tuwi, wala man may armas. So, kinsay grupo nga naay armas? Ang NPA. So, muduol mi sa NPA. Kaya wala man may makitang police diri. So, muna yan ang sinasabi ng mga tao. So, even peace and order issue meron. Social issues, daghan. Economic issues, all the more daghan. So, muna ang major things na we are trying to address dito sa ilahang lugar. Kaya balo ka, Pastor, nakita na ako itong barangay captain.
Yeah.
One time, nag-campaign sila, nag-community campaign sila about Peace 911 and peace in Paquibato. And then, nagisulti sa barangay captain, sa mga tao, sinabihan niya mga tao, ano ba kayo? Bakit ayaw ninyong tumulong? Tumulong na kayo. Tingnan niyo si Mayor Inday. Si Mayor Inday, wala mang bahay dito sa Paquibato, but si Mayor Inday, araw-araw na nagtatanong kung meron na bang nangyayari, meron bang improvement, meron bang development dito sa Paquibato. Tayo, dito tayo nakatira. So, dapat magtulong-tulong tayo. So, parang ang mga tao, bitaw no? Tanawan ng isa, woman na siya balay diri. She does not live here. Pero she's very interested. Tayo, nandito tayo. So, dapat magtulong-tulong tayo. So, ganun yung mga kampanya nila sa mga tao. Na, sinabi naman din ng mga tao na parang na-open yung mind nila na sabi nila na tama. Bakit hindi tayo magtulong-tulong?